Okay, so I was walking down the street in Macau and I saw this sign. It said, "No ADLET allowed. Offenders will be reported to the police. Thank you for your cooperation." And the English is really good, right? It's like grammatically, it's really good. But there's this one word, the most important word is ADLET, and I don't know what ADLET means. So you know what I did? I looked it up and I tried to see what it means. And so yeah, I looked at lots of different pictures and I saw this, the full story of the ADLET. And it looks like it's something to do with Inuit mythology, which is part of the like Canada, Alaska up there. So it's like half wolf, half human. So I was like, okay, ADLET, eh? So there's no ADLETs allowed. So let's take a look at that sign. Now that we know what an ADLET is, it's a mythical creature from the Inuits. So okay, so if you're in Macau, and just take in mind, no ADLETs are allowed. This is posted very clearly. It's in the Bara area of Macau. No ADLETs allowed. It's very clear on the sign. So now I know what it is. So if you see any, just let people know, and then offenders will be reported to the police. And we're thanking everybody for your cooperation. All right.